Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the complete guide to data security in cloud computing. Let's go. Cloud computing has become increasingly popular in recent years as it offers a number of benefits for businesses of all sizes. However, cloud computing also presents a number of security challenges. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about data security in cloud computing, including the best practices you can follow to protect your data. What is data security in cloud computing? Cloud computing is the practice of protecting data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. This is especially important in cloud computing environments where data is often stored and processed remotely. Why is data security in cloud computing important? To protect sensitive data. Cloud computing environments often store and process sensitive data such as customer information, financial data, and intellectual property. It is important to protect this data from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. To comply with regulations, many industries have regulations that require businesses to protect their data. For example, the healthcare industry has HIPAA regulations that requires businesses to protect patient data. To maintain customers trust businesses to protect their data. If a business experiences a data breach, it can damage its reputation and lose customers. Best practices for data security in cloud computing. There are a number of best practices that businesses can follow to improve data security in cloud computing environments. Some of the best practices include encrypting data. Data encrypting is one of the most effective ways to protect data from unauthorized access. Encryption transforms data into an unreadable format that can only be decrypted with the correct encryption key. Using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Strong passwords and MFA are essential for protecting cloud accounts from unauthorized access. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide two or more factors of authentication, such as password and one-time code from a mobile app. Segmenting cloud networks. Cloud network segmentation divides cloud networks into smaller segments, making it more difficult for attackers to move laterally through the network. Implementing intrusion detection and prevention systems. IDPS systems monitor cloud networks for suspicious activity and block attacks in real time. Monitoring and analyzing security data. Security data from cloud networks should be collected and analyzed to identify and respond to threats. That's all. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.